goes from the pad to your brain. Your brain releases hormones and causes a full body contraction. Okay, I'll say this again. The signal goes from the pads to your brain. Your brain signal. Your brain releases hormones and causes a full body contraction.
Full body contraction.
So you get hormonal balance, you get fitness, no visceral fat, a lot of energy, lower stress, and your hunger is suppressed.
Suppressed.
Okay? And you're detoxed. Okay? That's it. So I'm gonna say it again. Should I say it one more time?